Hi again. This is another version of the same process of scaling, just with a little repetition so you can understand it a little bit more clearly. I've already pre-cut the image nice and square on the roto cutter, and I'm just going to glue it up here, tack it up on my big 18 by 24 sheet of drawing paper. I want to get it right in that top left corner and square with both the left, the side edge, and the top edge. So that's in there good enough for this demo. And again, just want to repeat, what you're wanting to do is off of that lower edge of the image, draw a nice clean line out to the right, and then also off of this vertical, just bring a nice clean line down. So looking at this image, what I want to try to do with this one, again, similar to the first one, I want to divide it into rows and columns. I'm just going to change the number of rows and columns just to show that you can do this on your own. 5 rows, again, numbers divisible by 5, 5, 10, 15, and 20. And so again, lower left is where I start with 0 on my ruler. And I'm going to pick one of these numbers now, and I'm going to pick 10. And I'm going to rotate the ruler until it crosses this top edge of the pad of paper. So 0 is right here on the left, 10 is up there. How many 5s are in 10? 2. So every 2 inches, 2, 4, 6, and 8, I make a dot on the paper and the photo. I'm going to roll this down. I'm going to go down to 15 now. And how many 5s are in 15? 5 into 15 is 3. So now I make a dot every 3 inches. 3, 6, 9, and 12. So now I have these sets or pairs of dots. When I take a line across and connect the two that are even with each other, that's close enough. There we go. So I've just divided this vertical line 5 times into 5 equal sections. Again, without having to measure with a ruler because it was less than 5 inches. It's these numbers, this proportional set of numbers at these angles that make this happen. All right, so I've got 5 rows. I'm good. Let's go here. I turn the pad around, so I have this line which is parallel to this edge of the paper, and I'm going to go to this lower left corner of the photo here. And again, I want to divide this into 6 elements. So again, I want to make 6 columns. Numbers that are divisible by 6, 6, 12, 18, and 24. So I'm going to get a lot of dots here, and hopefully I won't get too confused. So again, I put 0 on the lower left here of the photograph, and I'm starting to rotate the ruler up until I use one of these numbers. So I'm going to use 12. And you could probably see it clearer on this example than you did up here. Here's 0, here's 12. How many 6s are in 12? 2. So now I'm going to make a dot every 2 inches. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. All right? Now I need another set of dots, so I'm going to go to 18. Look at that, just enough room. So here's 0 again here. Here's 18, just crossing this line. 6. How many 6s are 18? 3. So I'm going to go every 3 inches. 3, 6, 9, and 12, and then 15. So on this line of 18, to get 6, again, to get these rows, I divide 6 into 18, and that gave me 3 inches. So every 3 inches, I made a dot. And now I connect these. And let's see if I did it. I think it's going to be close. We're coming into the clubhouse turn here. We can see the finish line. Bada bing, bada boom. There we go. So there we go. We have five rows, 6 columns. It's all divided equally. And again, I didn't have to measure the image, the photograph, and try to divide up inches. I simply did it with this process of these angles off to the side. Hope that was easy to understand. Try it on your own, and see you in class. Bye-bye.